This is about where I sit. This is my line of eyesight. So as I sweep across, it is right in my line of eyesight. I want to raise it up, give me a little better vision when I drive. Okay, today we're going to be swapping out the original A3 mirror for this OEM Plus frameless Volkswagen mirror. So you can kind of see the size difference. I'm a little worried about this, the new one being too big and causing visibility issues and kind of blocking out this half, because I'm taller. I actually want to raise this up to about here by modifying the bracket and welding actually where it mounts to, but regardless, so we're going to get into how to change the process of changing to the new frameless mirror. And well, that's it. Okay, so say you want to change the mirror, it's broke, whatever, you just want to get it off the window, guys coming to put a new window in, they should know how, but regardless, so there's a clip here and here, and there's one on the corresponding side. So take your screwdriver. Normally they're not that easy. Whatever you do, don't stab up at this. It's so easy to break, crack, or chip your glass. That slides off. At this point, well, pull that off. And then you see this here and here. There's clips on the other side too. There's 4 clips. You're just going to grab it by the base and kind of push with your thumb right here. Oh, there's one part. Okay, such a pain. This channel should be called Watch Me Struggle, but okay, so you've got your old mirror off. Take your new mirror, kind of separate that, start the feet, get them in spot, and then twist it. That is it. It's that simple. Nothing else to it. This is just kind of a real quick before shot of the original mirror, and you can kind of see. This is about where I sit. This is my line of eyesight. So as I sweep across, and this is kind of an after view of how you see out of the rear view. Definitely a wider range, and I like the clean, frameless look.